How to view previously liked posts? Well, let me show you how it's done. First up, you go to your profile by clicking on the bottom right corner, and in your profile on the top right corner you can see this menu option. You press on it, and over there in the third place there is this your activity tab. You click on it, and over here in the third section you can see there is this thing called interactions, and over here you can delete likes, comments, and your other entire interactions. Well, this is where we want to go, and over here there are these three options. Since it's likes that we want to see, you press on likes, and here it is. All the posts that I have previously liked are here. If you want to unlike specific photos, you just select them, and over here you can see there's this option where I can unlike them, and once that's done, that's it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye bye.